Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix DeepSeek app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem that your DeepSeek app is not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your DeepSeek app and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app. And now on this page right here, we're just going to scroll down and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general as you can see, scroll down again and click on storage. Now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide. Also, just so you know, just find storage on your Android phone as well. And then you can just proceed with step-by-step guide similar to this video, just so you know. So now we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, search for DeepSeek and click on the app, click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App. And here, just wait for the reinstall app. As you can see the blue button here, so click on it once again. Now you might wonder, why do you have to do this? And that's a great question. The reason why we have to do this is because sometimes when they release a new update, or for example if there's some bug on the app itself and they fixed it, we need to actually get the new update to be able to actually access the app, because if there's some like bug on the previous version that is not allowing us to access the app, then we need to basically update the app itself to be able to actually fix this problem. And you will update your app by doing this. It will automatically force DeepSeek to basically update to the absolute latest version that they have. So by doing this, hopefully you will be able to fix this problem.